How to live chat on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find a fun option. Navigate to the option of Me given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, here you will find different sections. Now, head over to this option of Customer Service. You will be directed to the support page. Here you're gonna find different topics. When you scroll down, you'll find the option of Customer Service. Click on that. You will be directed to this page from where you can easily have the live chat with SHEIN. Here you can type in your message and SHEIN customer service team will get back to you. So this way you can easily have live chat on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.